This is pure elegance, in my opinion. It's giving a boutique hotel vibes, but still feels comfortable and functional. Stunning. Back again with part 2. Hi guys, let's dig into some more inspo. Look at this back setup, looks insanely sleek. Brilliant use of orange, yellow and greens for the colour pop. That was great. Moving on. This whole space feels so inviting. I would call this my dream home. Every detail, just as it is. Love it. Gorgeous. There is a good balance between the deep color, lighter sofas and warm lighting. This is pure elegance, in my opinion. The darker tones and furniture placement, everything is adding warmth and personality without making the room look dull at all. This is giving aesthetic and pastel. the touch of yellow here is the highlight for me. Like the use of the cushion, it was quite nice. This space is productive. I think it works equally well for unwinding and staying focused. This is giving glamorous. It's giving a boutique hotel vibes, but still feels comfortable and functional. Stunning. That was nice. I think I liked at least one or more things in each one of the inspos, one of them being my dream home as it is. I think it was number 2. But yeah, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please do like and subscribe to us, and I will see you with lots more. Take care, everyone. Bye.